Hey there, DIY lovers! Are you ready to invite a little more joy into your homes? Today, we're embarking on a journey to transform your space without spending a single dollar. You see, true tidying is not about buying more, but about making the most of what we already have. We often think we need fancy organizers, but I believe the most sustainable, joyful way to organize is by using what we already own. So if you're ready to declutter, simplify, and create a home that sparks joy on a budget, stick around for these 8 zero-cost home organization ideas. Let's begin. Do you have empty shoeboxes piled up, just waiting to be useful again? Instead of letting them gather dust, let's give them a new purpose. First, gather your shoeboxes and take a moment to appreciate their sturdiness. These humble boxes are like blank canvases, ready for our creative touch. Now let's think about where you need more organization in your home. Once you've identified the perfect spot for your shoebox transformation, it's time to personalize. You can wrap them in pretty paper, fabric scraps, or even paint them to match your decor. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. You can even add labels to the boxes for easy identification. Imagine opening your closet and seeing rows of beautifully coordinated shoeboxes, each one neatly storing your belongings. So go ahead, give those shoeboxes a second life and feel the joy of a well-organized space. I believe that every item has a story to tell, even something as simple as a glass jar or a tin can. Instead of discarding these everyday treasures, let's find new purpose and joy in them. They're just waiting to be transformed into stylish organizers. Think about all the little things scattered around your home. Office supplies cluttering your desk, makeup brushes vying for space on your bathroom counter, or even those colorful buttons in your sewing kit. Gather your empty glass jars and cans and let's infuse them with a new sense of purpose. Clean them thoroughly and remove any labels. Now let your creativity bloom. You can paint the jars in soft, calming colors or decorate them with twine for a rustic touch. Imagine your bathroom counter, once cluttered, now transformed with a set of charming glass jars, each holding your beauty essentials. Or picture your desk, a haven of creativity, with colorful pencils and pens neatly arranged in repurposed tin cans. These small changes can truly transform the energy of your space. Cables! Those necessary but often unruly companions of our modern lives. They have a way of tangling themselves into knots, don't they? But fear not, because today, we'll discover how a simple toilet paper roll can restore order. Gather all those stray cords and cables scattered around your home. Perhaps they're hiding behind your television stand or lurking beneath your desk. Now let's talk about the magic of toilet paper rolls. These often discarded items are surprisingly versatile and sturdy. Simply wrap your neatly coiled cables within the cardboard tube, and voila! No more tangled messes. You can take this organization to the next level by labeling each roll. Use a label maker or simply a pen and paper to clearly mark what each cord belongs to. No more guessing games when it's time to plug something in. Imagine opening your drawer not to a jumbled mess of cords, but to a row of neatly labeled toilet paper rolls. It's the little things, isn't it? Remember, tidying is a journey, not a destination. So the next time you finish a roll of toilet paper, don't throw it away. Give it a new purpose and let it spark joy by taming those tangled cables once and for all. Our closets, these often overlooked spaces, can become havens of serenity with a little creativity and care. Today we'll transform an old t-shirt or fabric scraps into a charming and functional hanging closet organizer. First, let's gather our materials. Find an old t-shirt that no longer sparks joy in your wardrobe. Or perhaps you have some fabric scraps from past sewing projects. Next, lay your chosen fabric flat and cut it into equal squares or rectangles, depending on your desired compartment size. Now for the fun part, attaching the fabric to create the compartments. You can use safety pins, fabric glue, or even a simple needle and thread. Secure the fabric pieces to the hanger, creating rows of pockets for your belongings. Imagine hanging this organizer in your closet, each pocket neatly storing scarves, hats, or even small handbags. This simple creation not only maximizes vertical space, but also adds a touch of personality to your closet. Remember, tidying is about surrounding yourself with items that spark joy. By giving new life to old fabrics and creating a functional organizer, you're not only decluttering your space, but also nurturing your creativity. Drawers, those deceptively simple storage spaces, often become catch-alls for all sorts of things. But what if we could transform them into havens of organized bliss, where every item has its designated place? Today, we'll use those often discarded cardboard boxes to create custom drawer dividers. First, gather those empty cereal boxes, shoe boxes, or any cardboard boxes you have lying around. Next, measure the height and width of your drawers to determine the ideal size for your dividers. Don't be afraid to get creative and cut the cardboard into different shapes and sizes to accommodate your belongings. Now, it's time to assemble your dividers. You can use tape, glue, or even clothespins to secure the cardboard pieces together, creating compartments within your drawers. Imagine opening your sock drawer not to a jumbled mess, but to neatly arranged rows of socks, each pair in its designated compartment. Or picture your junk drawer, transformed into a haven of order with pens, paper clips, and other essentials neatly sorted. Remember, tidying is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding joy in the everyday and appreciating the simple solutions that bring order and peace to our lives. Today, let's explore the magic of repurposing, transforming the seemingly ordinary into something quite extraordinary. We'll give new life to those often discarded egg cartons, turning them into charming organizers for those small, easily lost treasures that bring us so much joy. Before we begin, take a moment to appreciate the humble egg carton. Its unique shape, with its individual compartments, makes it a surprisingly effective organizational tool. Now, gather your egg cartons and think about all the tiny items scattered throughout your home, longing for a designated space. Perhaps it's your collection of colorful buttons, sparkling beads for jewelry making, or even those essential screws and nails that always seem to go astray. With a little imagination, egg cartons can be transformed into charming storage solutions. For a touch of whimsy, decorate the carton with paint or colorful paper. Or embrace its natural texture and leave it as is for a more rustic aesthetic. Imagine opening your craft drawer not to a chaotic jumble, but to a collection of neatly labeled egg cartons, each holding a rainbow of buttons or a spectrum of beads. Or picture your toolbox, where screws and nails are no longer a source of frustration, but are readily available in their designated compartments. By giving new life to these often overlooked items, you're not only decluttering your home, but also embracing a more sustainable, mindful way of living. Today, let's explore the power of vertical space, often an underutilized resource in our homes. With a little creativity, we can transform those forgotten magazine holders into organizational heroes, maximizing space and bringing a sense of calm to our surroundings. Gather your magazine holders, those sturdy, often overlooked items tucked away on shelves or in the backs of closets. Now let's think about where we can maximize vertical space. Perhaps it's in your kitchen pantry, where cans and jars tend to topple over one another. Or maybe it's in your home office, where files and paperwork threaten to take over your desk. Magazine holders are surprisingly versatile and can be repurposed in countless ways. Use them in your pantry to store aluminum foil, plastic wrap, or even those extra boxes of pasta. In your home office, they become stylish organizers for file folders, notebooks, or even art supplies. Imagine opening your pantry door, not to a chaotic avalanche of snacks, but to neatly arranged rows of canned goods, spices, and baking supplies, each in its designated magazine holder. Or picture your desk, a haven of productivity, with files and paperwork neatly organized within easy reach. By repurposing magazine holders and maximizing vertical space, you're creating a more functional and visually appealing home. Today, let's transform those forgotten pieces of wood into a functional and stylish pegboard, a blank canvas for your organizational creativity. Gather any scrap wood you have, an old shelf, leftover plywood, or pieces from a disassembled pallet. Measure your space to determine the ideal size for your pegboard. Get creative with the shape: rectangular, square, or custom. Use a drill to create evenly spaced holes across your board. Use a template or mark the placement with a pencil. Paint it a bright color or use varnish for a natural look. Imagine it in your kitchen with hooks for utensils, baskets for herbs, or pots for greenery. Or in your craft room, displaying washi tape, scissors, and essentials. Transforming scrap wood into a pegboard reduces waste and inspires creativity. Tidying is about creating a space that reflects your passions and brings you joy. And there you have it, 8 simple yet transformative ideas to bring joy and order to your home without spending a single penny. Remember, true tidying is not about buying more, but about cherishing what we already have and finding creative ways to make it work for us. As you embark on your own tidying journey, remember to approach it with a spirit of joy and gratitude. Let go of the things that no longer serve you and embrace the beauty of simplicity and functionality. Which idea sparked the most joy for you? I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your favorites in the comments below. Until next time, happy tidying!